Jimmy has no garage.
So yeah, NRG seats on stock rails, you're gonna hit the hard top. So today we're gonna try to install some PLM seat brackets onto the NRG seat, see if that lowers the seating position. Let's go. So to begin with, let's take off the seat first. Okay, let's look at the fitment of this bracket first. Yeah, looks good. And it also got some wiggle room so you can, slide in and out, which is good. I'm gonna see if I want to put the seat on here or, bolt it onto the seat first and then mount the whole thing here. I don't know. Let me show you my old setup. So this is the stock rail and this is the bracket that came with the seat. And apparently the holes don't line up. So I have to make a plate in between and the seat bracket goes onto this plate and then another bolt goes on this piece of metal. So it's like an adapter, but unfortunately this is too thick. I want to reduce that 1 inch or maybe 2, And so this is kind of tricky because the whole of the NRG seats are like very up front, and then here's this thing. So this is like around the maximum spot that I can go. I cannot go like any further than here. Fortunately, that's pretty close to where I want to sit at because I'm not very tall. I'm only 5'6", so this is actually close. I'm gonna take the seat out and just start putting the bracket on there and fine-tune my sitting position. I'm thinking about the front bolt goes here and the rear goes like the second, because going here the seat is too like tilted and it's not so comfortable for the hand. Alright, after some fiddling, I settled with the front, the second row, and maximum to the front, and the rear, the bottom row, the third slot. Here's the moment of the truth. So yeah, I think this install is a success because I've successfully lowered my sitting position like, I don't know, 2 inch at least. Next month I'm gonna go on the track and I'm not gonna have any problem sitting in this car now. So it's good. Do I recommend these seat brackets? Yes. Only if you're 5'7" like me. If you are any taller and you need to sit further back, you can, because this is maxed out and it's just the design of the seat, so beware of that when you purchase an NRG seat. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and follow my Instagram on Jimmy Has No Garage. I'll see you next time.